What's up everybody, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video here on the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. Guys, we are back with yet another episode of What's in the Jug. Today, guys, we are talking all about 700 GreeNe EFfect. This product is the most simple and economical way to correct chlorosis issues in turf and ornamental plants. The iron in this product is chelated with citric acid, which results in an organic chelation bond. The result you get when applying this product to your turf is a consistent greening effect, which is deep on the turf. Great in the summer months as a standalone or an additive to your regular fertilization program. In the summer months, you often find yourself having to dial down on your nitrogen input. A great way to supplement for that is to bring in a product like the 700 GreeNe EFfect, which will give you a little kick of what you took out, but at the same time, it'll also give you some iron, which is going to result in that nice double dark blue-green look that we all know and love without pushing any additional stress and growth on the turf during this stressful period, which makes this the perfect summer fertilizer product. There you go, guys. That's all we have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And please share your stories down below, guys. I know there's a lot of you out there who have used 700. I want to hear all about your application stories and how you've used it and how you've succeeded with it in your endeavors to having the deepest, darkest, greenest, thickest lawn on the block. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next What's in the Jug.